Hey guys, today I'll show you how to reinstall operating system on dedicated server with just one command. So this is unlimited and you can reinstall your Linux operating system anytime, anywhere without using the IPMI. And this process is absolutely free. So I'll just open my Bitdevice and I'll just open new terminal console, and right now I am using Debian 13 and I'll show you how to do it. So I am here on Reinstall on GitHub and I will put the link on the description down below. So I have Linux as my current operating system, and we are outside China. Just copy this command, hit enter, and if curl and wget are not installed, just install it using apt install curl wget -y. And now let's paste this download command, hit enter, and now we will try to reinstall Ubuntu 24.04. So to do that, just run bash reinstall.sh and choose your operating system. So Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Ubuntu 24.04. There's no need to include LTS and just hit enter. So if you hit enter, your default password is 123 and @@, or you can set your own password. Okay, I'll just paste a secure password, re-enter your password, and it will begin reinstalling your Linux. So for this instance, I am using Ubuntu 24.04. And now we will reboot our server. So just run reboot and we'll wait for our server to begin installing Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, now our server has been rebooted. Let's click accept and save and enter the password you have set a while ago and click OK. Let's open terminal. And now we are running Ubuntu. So let's compare this one for reference. So this was running Debian, and now we have easily reinstalled Ubuntu 24.04. So I hope this video helped you in any way. If you have any questions, comment them down and I'll try to answer them all. If this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.